Hello friends, I am your English teacher from AVS Vidya Mandir, Virar. This video is for 9, 10, semi or Marathi medium student. Friends, today we are discuss about how to write report. If you watch this full video, you can write any report. So let's start. What is report? A report is a clear and concise documents which is written particular purpose. Clear means it should possess clarity of expression. Concise, it is of 200 words but it is depend on question. Purpose to provide certain information regarding events or incident. Report is written for school magazines or journals or newspapers. Okay, please remember the definition of report writing. Some important points to remember while writing reports. First, written in past tense. Second, don't use first person like I or me. Use third person like he or she or we. Use indirect speech. Fourth, use passive voice. If you see the points, so please remember this point while writing any report. Now let's understand the format of report first. Report writing format. In first line, in the middle, please write the heading of the report in capital letter. The heading contains the event name. After that, in the right hand corner, reported by name, designation. In the left hand corner, write the place, date. After that, write body of the report or body of the report. It is divided into three parts. First, introduction. In the first line, you can write what, who, when, where. In second line, why. Third line, volunteers' participation. Main content. Here, how the event started and what were the highlights of the events. Conclusion summarize the end of the event with a positive note. This is the complete format of report. Let's understand this format with an example. You are Rohan or Roshni, reporter of a national Delhi. A campaign on Say No to Polythene Bags was conducted in your city to create awareness among people not to use polythene bags. Write a report in 125 words highlighting the activities conducted. Let's see answer. A campaign on Say No to Polythene Bags, reported by Rohan, New Delhi, 15 August 2020. A campaign on Say No to Polythene Bags was conducted by Saket Welfare Association in Ashok Vihar. The main purpose of this campaign was to create awareness among the people about the harmful effects of the polythene bags on them. In the campaign, ladies, gents, students and girls participated with banners, placards and slogans. They told common public that polythene bags are very harmful for their health. These polythene bags spread lots of disease and create other health hazards for all of us. Polythene bags even choke the drains and disturb the fertility of the soil. It causes animals' death. Organizers of the campaign suggested people to use cotton and paper bags instead of plastic bags. Everybody appreciated this campaign and this had everlasting effects over the people. Men and women from their house came outside to listen the campaigners. They took a pledge not to use the polythene bags at all. The purpose for which it was organized seemed to be completed. Some people who were asked told that wearing as well as educative. Really, it was a great success. So that all in this video. Dear student, write it on your notebook and practice it. Thank you.